These 5 websites feel legal to know, but they'll make your brain explode in the best way. Let's go. Number 1. Tinywow.com. It's like your Swiss Army knife for the internet. Remove backgrounds, convert files, fix PDFs, and even erase stuff from photos, all 100% free. No sign up. No catch. Just power. Greater than. Number 2. Quillbot.com. This is your AI writing assistant. Need to rewrite, summarize, or paraphrase essays in seconds? Boom, it done. It even fixes your grammar like a pro. Greater than. Number 3. Photopea.com. Photoshop is expensive. This one's free and runs right in your browser. It edits PSDs, raw files, everything. Perfect for YouTubers, students, designers, everyone. Greater than. Number 4. Futurepea.io. Think of it like Google, but only for AI tools. Search anything, and it shows the newest AI tools for it instantly. 1. AI for studying. Video editing, voice, boom. It's there. 5. 12 feet ladder. And finally 12ft.io. Can't read an article because it's paywalled. Just type 12 feet IO in front of the link, and boom, free access. Show me a 12-foot ladder to climb over that wall. Genius. Greater than. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop A in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing tools every week. See you next video.